Okay, so yep, we'll just jump right in. What was your experience with the academy?
I loved it. I'm so happy Makai wanted to go. Um, I had a very positive experience with it. Um, I see a big change in him. Total, you know, it, I'm mom, so I always thought he was a good kid. But it's just the little things, like even his demeanor, how he stands with even more confidence. Before it was like he didn't know what to do with his hands or always tinkering with things, but now it's like he's sure of himself. He I don't know, he's just, it's like he know who he is. He stands like, I am somebody, so I just look at him and smile all the time.
I love it. You touched on it a little bit, but if you have any experiences with either lifestyle, schooling, or anything that comes to mind, just how did it help or change something like before and after?
um he takes some things a little more serious. He was always a serious kid. It's like now when he starts something, he finishes it. I mean, like I could say, Makai, do the dishes or something. It doesn't take him all day. I mean, I'm like, oh, you're done already? And then it's like, wow, it looks like I cleaned it. First time he helped me clean up something when he get home, I was amazed. I kept getting up and going to look at it. I was like, wow. It shocked me. And it didn't take him any time. He said, okay, Mom, once we start, we don't stop until it's done. And I'm like, okay, this is the same kid who asked me, could he take a 10-minute break every 5 minutes? So, yeah.
That's awesome.
That's one big difference I noticed.
I would say so. A lot of this is going to be used for marketing to future classes. If you were talking to someone who, either a parent or a cadet who's on the fence about joining or not, what would be like the first thing that comes to your mind of like why they should?
Because it's going to help build character. For kids who don't have a lot of confidence, it I don't. It's hard to put it into words for me. It lets you know, hey, I matter, or I can achieve things. I can be what I want to be. I don't have to be stuck in this. Like, we're in a really small city. I don't have to be stuck here. There's more to life. I can do more. There's more positive things out there. I would definitely say go for it. Go for it. And I know sometimes as parents, it's hard to let our kids go. We want to keep them close. But this is, to me, and he's my youngest of four, and so he's my baby. This was the best decision we could have made. Best decision. Yeah.
Love it. Thank you. I love to hear it. I will let you get going because those are great answers, and I just appreciate your time very much. So thank you. It was great meeting
Well, thank you.
Yes, thank you very much.
Nice meeting you too.
Have a good night.
Bye-bye.